The next and one of the most funniest facts about Jamaica is that when the plane lands, just expect
me. So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You don't know we're here for a good time?
A long time.
You wonder why they have on the shirt, right? Yo, why these guys have on these shirts?
Because tomorrow is Jamaica's
Independence Day.
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 Anyways.
And you don't know, so we had to do a video that's related to Jamaica, to big up our country, you know, big up to Jamaica, big up to all the Jamaicans out there, big up to all the Caribbean people. Comment down below where you guys are from.
So today's video is 10 fun facts about
Jamaica. You know, you have to make it look like a movie scene. Jamaica.
Okay, so these are some funny things about Jamaicans that I'm sure if you're Jamaican, you know, or if you know a lot of Jamaicans, you will know.
Yeah, it's funny things and then things that you probably know too. And when this click to you, just comment down below, yo, that's funny.
And we also will be doing another Jamaican trivia. So any questions you have that you think we should know the answer to, just comment below.
Yeah, comment your questions down below right now. Smash the like button. Notification gang, where you at? Comment down below right now. Notification squad. Notification. Notification. Oh. Notification.
Alright.
If you put this, if you put this down in below description right now, me I give a shout out. Notification. Zoom. Yeah, I said it.
Really?
Notification. Zoom.
Anyways, we're gonna get started. The first fun fact about Jamaica is Saturdays are for soup Saturdays.
Yes, my mother makes the best soup.
Yes.
Red pea soup, chicken,
Gungo pea soup.
Yeah, gungo pea soup, and oh my god, but red pea soup to me. Danielle don't really like red pea soup, but I love.
When did I say I don't like red pea soup?
You say you
I said
don't
I like red pea soup.
Yeah, man, she like red pea soup.
I don't like
me
beef soup.
Yeah, beef soup.
Get your words together today.
Yeah, beef soup Danielle don't like, but
we had beef soup.
Yeah, we had beef soup today, and which was fire.
Well, it's actually Saturday today.
And
that
we
was
had
in the video.
You see that? Same thing.
And we had soup.
Same thing.
The next and one of the most funniest facts about Jamaica is that when the plane lands, just expect
People, I have a story about this.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we were going to my first trip, you know, well, when I was like a little older, I understand the ropes of the airplane and thing. And you know, you go to Jamaica and thing, even when you come from Jamaica to Florida, you go and clap, right? So we went from Florida to California. People, and me alone I got something. I mean, I said nobody a clap. I mean, I wonder like, is this normal? Like, yo, the plane land.
But you know, I realized a lot of them stopped doing it.
Yeah, up to now, like I don't see a lot of people doing it. Yo, come on, man.
You got to start back that clapping.
Somebody carry
Make that pilot feel good.
Yeah, man, clap, man. It must. They probably love that stuff too.
Exactly, they probably find it so
Funny, yeah.
Next fun fact is, no matter what happens in Jamaica, we can always make a good time out of it. Give them an example, babe.
Like, no 30 grand just no 30 grand what? Me say, we want back everything. We want back everything. Comment down below who that is from. Comment down below.
So, even when
the water coming on me house.
And didn't you make a song out of it?
Yeah, another 30 grand, just another 30 grand. What?
She used that situation of the flooding and she made her.
Big up to Rosie, guys. Big up to Rosie. If you guys don't know Rosie, go watch the Rosie interview. There's so much of them. There's the guy. Nobody can cross it.
Oh, what's it?
Cliff. Is it Clifton?
Clifton. I don't remember. Remind us of the name.
Comment down. But we know who it is really.
You know, it was the funniest World Cup time. Like when the teams lose.
Oh my god. Jamaicans.
Yeah, you saw them bringing out the caskets.
They were bringing out the caskets of the countries, like and like Lionel Messi and them people that like Neymar and them.
Oh, and they even made national in Croatia.
Yes.
National bakery. Next fun fact: Jamaicans can party any day of the week.
Yes.
Mojito Mondays.
Mojito Monday. May I give you
Bossy
from
Tuesdays.
Yes. I give you from Sunday to Bounty Sundays. Oh, Bounty Sunday, them shut there, you know.
You never been to one.
I never been to one, but I see the videos.
Wet Sundays. I've been to Wet Sundays.
You done must go Wet Sunday.
I'm sure you know this, especially if you have Jamaican parents. Every pain that you have will be gas.
Gas.
Drink some
Tea.
Yep.
Your belly a hot too. Drink some tea.
Try drink tea every single night.
Yeah, I drink tea. It's because it's a habit now, because it's in my system. My mother like brainwashed me at 6 o'clock at this time. You need
Your
to
mother
drink
have the most tea that I ever seen in my life.
Yo, like when you check our cupboard, I say cupboard.
Covered.
Cupboard. It's like from head to toe
Tea.
in there, full of tea.
But she has
Every type of tea. Every type of mint tea, green tea, yellow tea, white
mint
tea, black
is
tea,
still
every
the
tea.
best tea.
Eh?
Mint tea is
Mint
still
tea?
the best tea.
Yeah man, mint tea, me love it. Yo, comment on your favorite mint tea. Did I say favorite mint tea? Comment on below your favorite tea right now.
Jamaican buses always have space.
Even the taxi them.
Even the taxis.
Yo.
You'll see 10 people coming out of one taxi.
God no, we even did this thing when we went to BRT in DR. We parked
Oh
up
my
a car.
god.
Little small car, you know, people. With
Don't
at
worry.
least 10 people.
There's always space.
Yes.
Always.
Always space.
We can always take it.
Yo, it would be 9 people and say, yeah man, one more, one already.
Small of yourself. Jamaicans don't like you if the spirit don't take you.
Yeah.
That's me. I don't
Me
feel
not
like
like you, me not.
Why you don't like it?
Me not like, no, my spirit not take you.
That's so funny, but it's true. You should
Yeah.
trust yourself.
And I think this is like old people because them can read. Because them been in them been there for so long.
And anybody your mother never like?
Yeah, oh, she's always, oh my god, let me tell you something. Me never like it from day one, you know. No, and she rub it in your face, so get ready.
When
So
you're
once-
young and you have all your friends, any friend should never like.
My spirit never take him from day one.
Jamaicans always rep their country.
Yes. Like what we doing right now.
The black, green, and gold.
Gold. Love it, love it.
Another fun fact, Jamaica has the fastest man in the world.
Big up to Usain Bolt. Big up, big up, big
That's
up,
so
big up.
crazy.
Comment down below
That's a
Usain
small
Bolt right now.
country like Jamaica can
Yo,
have the fastest
that's-
man in the world.
Yeah, like we're very small compared to this
That's-
big whole America, the big whole Canada, the whole of South America, and they can't find a runner like
And that's so
Usain
crazy.
Bolt.
Like, and last but not least, Jamaicans are never on time. But they're always on the way and they always soon reach. That's like Chad. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
But make
10 minutes
make
later.
them have a flight and them have to come to America or Canada or
And then they're
UK.
from about 5 hours early.
Yo, I never forget, me had a flight at 8 o'clock in the morning. Worst idea ever. My mother wake me up. Like she wake me up from 3 o'clock. Come, we need to go. We ain't check the time at 3 o'clock, you know. And we fly, we have to be there at like 7, 6.
No, it's supposed to be
Yeah,
like
about
3
6.
hours early.
Yeah, you're supposed to be there at 3 when it's international flight. Which is true, I understand, but no,
Not if you
3
check in,
o'clock.
not if you check in from before.
5 hours though?
I can't. Oh my God.
No, that's not right.
And when you see them in the airport, the dress.
Bush up! When they come from America to Jamaica, oh my god, the bushes clean out.
I can't lie. When I used to visit
Me do
and
that.
I used to go back home, I used to wear all my new clothes.
Yeah, for real. My most expensive outfit without we
No,
that
not
day.
the most
No, my most expensive that day. Cause you
You
want,
have to look like you come
yeah,
from.
you want to look like you have little money.
That's
Yo,
so funny.
comment a fun fact that you know about Jamaica, Jamaicans, anything. Comment down below right now. Smash the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Tell us how you're gonna celebrate Jamaica's holiday.
Yes, we're gonna celebrate it by food.
We're going to the beach.
Huh?
Yes.
We're not gonna beach.
We're going to the beach.
Alright, we might go to the beach. We don't know yet. You might have to follow the vlogs. Are you watching the vlogs?
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
Watch the vlogs.
You know, watch your vlog. Notification shout out time. Pick up on the damn self. You want to be a part of notification squad. What you gotta do, Danny?
You gotta like, you gotta subscribe, but you got to hit that bell.
Hit the damn bell, people.
And
if you
comment.
want to get the
Comment.
videos on time, you gotta hit the bell if you want to get the shout out at the same time.
And comment, notification squad, notification anything.
Notification, oh,
And
gang,
if
gang,
you want
gang.
to shout you out, say notification.
Zoom, zoom.
Oh God, no, don't bother yourself.
First notification shout out goes to
Christina.
Christina. Pick up your damn self. You're going right over here. We got a dog in here, bro.
Oh, she's so sicky.
Yeah, she has the two around her head.
Next notification shout out goes to Priscilla Abilio. I hope
Priscilla
I said that right.
What was it?
Priscilla Abilio.
Priscilla Amelia, big up your damn self. I'm hoping never butcher your name. Big up your damn self. You're going right here.
And last but not least, KD.
KD, big up your damn self. You're going right here. Big up on the damn self. Remember, if you want to be a part of the notification gang, you know you have to smash the like button, smash the comment button,
Hit the bell.
Smash the bell. Before you hit the bell, you're gonna hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, we're doing a trivia, so comment down below.
Any
Questions of Jamaican.
I will answer them.
Anything Jamaican. No,
I will try to answer them.
yeah, we answer it. We answer it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we are out. We are out.
We're out.
We out.
We're out.
Big up to Jamaica again. Boom.
On me. So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.